Let's learn how to use the Passage features on quizzes to level up your student literacy skills. The first step you need to take is to click the Create button, then select the Passage option. The Passage feature allows students to analyze text or media and improve their comprehension skills. There are 3 ways to create a passage. Search in the quizzes library, use the AI-based generator, import your own teaching materials in the form of websites, documents, PDFs, or YouTube videos. Let's try the first feature, which is searching in the quizzes library. In the quizzes library, there are various types of passage you can use. To make searching easier, you can apply filter by selecting the reading level by specifying the minimum or maximum number of words, then clicking apply. Filtering by genre, such as fiction, non-fiction, or poetry. Filtering by curriculum standard, grade level, number of questions, question types, subject language, and more. Sorting by most relevant, most late, or more recent. After finishing the filtering process, the next step is to click on the passage that appears. Here, you can view the passage content, some pre-made questions, and a list of key terms. At the bottom, there are several menus you can utilize. The copy and edit menus. You can also save the passage to your personal folder for easier access later. Convert the passage into a worksheet and share the passage with other teachers. There are 2 ways to conduct a passage. As a homework, click Assign, then set the assignment details according to your needs, such as start and end times, student attempts, and other customizations. Once you have finished setting it up, click Assign, copy the game link, and share it with your students. Live in class. Click Start Now, choose the desired session mode, adjust the session settings, and other customization. When you are done, click the Start button. Copy the game code and share it with your students. Once students have joined, click the Start Now button to begin. Next feature, Generate with AI. To use this feature, enter the desired topic. You can also specify certain words you want to include it. Next, set the output language, genre, grade level, subject, number of paragraphs, and sources. After determining your preferences, click Generate Passage. Select up to 3 topics that align with the purpose of the passage you want to create. Then click Continue. Your passage will be ready, complete with these reference sources. If the result doesn't meet your expectations, click Discard. If it does, click Continue. The generated passage comes with several multiple choice questions. You can also add other type of question as needed. Additionally, you can include images, audio, or videos in the passage. Video can be uploaded from Google Drive or YouTube. Once your passage is complete, click Publish. Fill in the passage details and click Publish again. To conduct the passage in the classroom, you can choose review mode, assign it as a homework, or conduct it live in class. Last feature, Bring Your Own. In this feature, you can upload files in the form of PDFs, documents, or images. You can also input a website URL or type text manually. Let's try uploading a PDF file. Note that the maximum of size is 5 MB and must not exceed 10 pages. Drag and drop the file into the designated area. The PDF will appear on this page. The next step is to add questions. You can add question manually or use Quizzes AI. If the generated question meets your expectation, click the Save Question button. Then click Publish. Complete the quiz details, then click Publish. If you have teaching materials or passage in a form of website, you can also use the Embed Website features. Copy the URL and paste it into the provided field. To add question, you can use Quizzes AI or add them manually. Once you have finished generating the questions, click Publish. Complete the quiz details, and click Publish. As with other features, to conduct the quiz, you can choose preview mode, assign it as a homework, or conduct it live in classroom. That's how that we can use the Passage feature to create deeper, more engaging learning experience on quizzes.